E101-013, Electronics 101 for all. Understanding voltage and current. Hello, have you ever heard of voltage and current but weren't quite sure what they meant? Don't worry, it's actually really easy to understand once you know the basics. First, let's talk about voltage. Voltage is a measure of the electrical potential difference between 2 points in a circuit. It's kind of like the pressure of the water in a hose. The higher the pressure, the more power the water has to flow through the hose. In a circuit, voltage is like the pressure that pushes the electrons through the wires. Now, let's talk about current. Current is a measure of the flow of electrons through a circuit. It's kind of like the flow of water through a hose. The more water that flows, the more current there is. In a circuit, current is like the flow of electrons through the wires. So, to sum it up, voltage is like the pressure that pushes the electrons through the circuit, and current is the flow of those electrons. Together, voltage and current help power all sorts of electronic devices, from phones and computers to TVs and refrigerators. I hope you enjoyed learning about voltage and current and that it helps you with your electronic projects. If you're interested in building your own circuits and learning more about electronics, be sure to check out our electronic DIY kits. They're perfect to have fun while doing it. Schogini Toys kits come with everything you need to start building and learning about electronics, including breadboards, LEDs, resistors, and more. So why wait? Start building and learning today.